We organised our first European Founder Conference here in London. We have been active here in Europe and investing for a few years, and have a few hundred companies that we've invested into by now, and have actually become one of the largest early stage investors in the region. And we've taken the opportunity to bring together here, alongside the London Tech Week, 50 of the most exciting founders from our portfolio.
Early stage valuations are very, very stable. Early stage investors are still very, very active. And we see a record number of new founders that are actually building new businesses.
I'm very excited to be here with our European portfolio companies, who are probably going to be the next 1 billion, 10 billion, $1 trillion companies coming out of Europe.
News to share, we yesterday signed a contract with European Space Agency for 4.3 million euros to...
I think this is the single greatest time to be investing in these companies that there has been.
And as we said earlier, talent is everywhere, and talent is in everyone. So let's try and make sure that we can be casting the net more broadly when we're looking for opportunities to back.
What really excites me the most about working with founders at Antler is just the sort of sheer innovation, the creativity, the power, the grit, the determination to do something different, to innovate, to make the world better, and to work sort of side by side with some of these phenomenal people who have just so much sort of stamina and strength and real power within them. And being that sort of partner where we can help guide them in those very, very early days when they need to figure out a lot of stuff before things take off, I think that's just one of the most rewarding positions to be in.
And with that, thank you so much for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed some of these discussions. Hope you are as excited about what the future holds as we are, and enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you very much.